Hi guys, this is Rashmi. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by, and I am back with another upcycle project. Today I'm going to try to revamp this particular white knit top into something exciting. And before I tell you why this top needs a revamp in the first place, let me give a shout out to my girl Sophie from Positive Fee. I have been doing upcycling projects with her, and this is part of it. Now, Positive Fee is a San Diego based amazing business where you can donate all the clothes that are in your wardrobe that do not serve you anymore and buy a bag full of pre owned, new to you clothes. I feel like this is the best eco conscious way you can update your wardrobe. And if you're in San Diego, do check her out. I am going to link her Instagram down below. Now, back to this upcycle. When I picked this top from Positive Fee, I knew immediately that it was someone's thrift flip because it had the thrift shop tag attached to it. And also, I saw that someone tried to dye it into another color, so there is patch test dye stains on the sleeves, and I also had areas where there were stains which I tried to remove. There are still few stains on this, and mostly stains and the dye is concentrated on the sleeve area. So I thought, as usual, let's try to remove the sleeves. Now when the idea of removing the sleeves came into picture, I immediately thought about this being a transition piece in someone's wardrobe and perfect for a spring wardrobe. I really hope this turns out what I'm imagining in my mind. I really hope it looks good in the end. So let's go. First, I'm going to place a pin on the line where it's gonna get cut, so I know exactly which line to follow. Let's first see how this knit cuts by cutting off the sleeves. I want to see how this knit stays once I take a cut. It's sort of freeze, but it still remains intact, which is sort of a good news for me. I really like the way it holds its shape even after it cuts. It gives me more option to play with it. I'm cutting the front and the back separately because the front and the back are not aligned. So I don't want to give it a cut like a normal top since it's a knitwear. I want to make sure that I cut it along the line of the knit. Now I'm going to finish this edge. It frays a bit, but I know that it'll fray more once we wash it. So I'm going to finish this edge with a double fold bias tape in black. And to attach the front to the back, I'm going to use a double fold elastic in white. So there will be like maybe two panels is what I'm trying to envision to connect the front and the back so that it becomes like an overlay or maybe a tank top or a bralette. The gap I need between the front and the back is approximately 6 inches. So right now I'm cutting elastic of 6 inches. I have pinned first two elastics in place, and once I stitch it, I'll wear it and see if I need 2 more elastics. Definitely needed the elastics in the bottom of the top as well. So I've pinned those in place and I'm going to stitch them next. Okay, so this is the final outcome. I hope you liked this video. Please do like and subscribe to this channel. I have few more upcycles coming up for you guys. So see you next time.